Hey, busy crafters. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're returning. My name is Jessica, and we have another collaboration for you. It's the Celebrating Our Forever Love, hosted by So Kate, as well as co-hosted by Pretty DIYs. The links to their channels will be in the description box below, as well as the playlist, so be sure to go on over and give them some love. On to project number 1. We are celebrating our spouses, and so I decided to go to the Dollar Tree. I've had these in my stash for a while, and they're like little boxes that have the paint on the inside. So I just took the backing off, scraped it with the tool, and then I just cleaned it up with some ammonia, or not ammonia, but some alcohol. Not the good stuff, the rubbing alcohol. And I didn't make you watch me do the whole thing, but this did take a little bit of elbow grease and it did take a little bit of time. I did cut a lot of it out and I did it for both of them. Now, these images I got off of Fabrica, and I just go ahead and trace out the square around them and then I just cut it out. Now, these two images, as well as the two images in the second project, are printed off with my HP printer, just regular ink, regular printer paper. The last project is different, but we'll get to that as soon as it comes. So I just go ahead and take a craft bond glue stick, and I just go ahead and, place it down. I had to trim it up a little bit and then put it back in the frame, and then we're not done. So I got that Finial at Hobby Lobby years ago. And I just go ahead and put it on there. And then I take the paint from Pop. It's from Joann's. And it's in, of course, the color black. Now, I paint the whole thing. I did not paint the frame because the frame is already black. But I did not paint the candlestick there because our room does have touches of gray in it. And so I just go ahead and glue that on top. And then I was like, it needs something else. Always have to go that extra step, that extra mile. But first, I'm just going to try to, put a little bit more glue in there. And then I take a leaf that I got, from my stash, and a sola wooden flower, and I place it on the front. Yeah, there we go. And there it is. Those are the two of them. And then here is the end result of the both of them. The one on the right that says hubby. No, the left. The left that says hubby. I did not shrink it to fit, so that's my fault, my problem. I want to thank every single one of my subscribers for every single thing that you guys do. I appreciate you so much, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It would help me out. On to project number 2. So I went to Michael's, and I have these two wooden pieces that I painted in Waverly white chalk paint, both front and back. And then I just Mod Podged the front of them and waited until the glue dry. I'm pretty sure you didn't want to watch glue dry, so I cut that out for you. And then I just take my handy dandy mini press that is from Cricut, and I just go ahead and reactivate the Mod Podge, and it, does it so beautifully, no wrinkles or anything. So then I was like, okay, I was going to have them hanging, but I decided to make this video nothing but shelf sitters. So what I did is I took a tumbling tower block from the Dollar Tree, and I just go ahead and hot glue it to the back. And these, the wood here is very thin. So if you want it a little bit thicker, just go ahead and, glue two of them together and it would be just fine. I decided not to do that, but it is what it is. So then I just clean up the side of that one. I should have did it to the other one too, but I didn't. And I had to deal with cleaning it up with a Jenga block or a tumbling tower block. Off camera, I did go with a black marker around the edges just to give it a little bit more depth, but there is the end product of these ones. Once again, every image is from Fabrica. Go ahead and follow me on all of my social medias, my Etsy shop, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. On to project number 3. This is where it's a little bit different. So this is Sublimation, and it's a special ink, and it's a special paper. Those easels I got from the Dollar Tree. You don't have to do anything with them. They are ready to go for sublimation. Before I sublimate on anything, I do rub it down with some alcohol and, let it dry. Alcohol dries pretty quick, so it's pretty nice. I did get an Eco Tank 2800 from Best Buy a couple years ago. That thing has been working absolutely amazing. I've never had a problem with it. I can go months without even touching it, and it is great. I had to clean the heads one time in 2 years. So I just got that tank, and I just use Hippo Sublimation ink in there, and so it's been converted. And once again, great, So I go ahead and put them on the press. I didn't show you guys me putting them on the press, but you press it for 45 seconds at the temperature of 385 degrees. And then it is very hot. The sublimation part especially is extremely hot, but I'm a rebel. And, we do things a little bit crazy around here, around these parts. And so I take them off even though it's hot. Just be very careful. And then there's that one. And this video has turned out to be extremely mushy. And so I had, you guys know me, I had to throw in a little bit of humor. So here we go. Here's the, I love my husband, but sometimes I want to square up. It's true, in my mind, I think I could take him, but I know I can't. But, he is a great husband, and he really did appreciate that one too. He laughed, and he looked at me like, really? Jess, really? But he's a wonderful man, and I just love him to pieces. So here's the final review of everything that we have. Yeah, so let me know what you think in the description box. No, in the comments below. I'm the description box. I have to keep remembering that. I'm the description box. You guys are the comments. I do get back to every single comment. And yeah, let me know what you think. And I would appreciate that. I do get back to the comments. I think I already said that. I'm suffering with a migraine right now, so I'm trying to be, peppy. Once again, I want to thank the host for hosting this collaboration, so Kate as well as Pretty DIYs. Go check them out. And thank you guys for clicking on this video. Thank you for watching it. Thank you for commenting. Please subscribe and share if you can. And until the next time, I will see you on the next one. God bless you guys. Bye.